Hey Explorers, today we're going to look at adding fractions. Alright? So if I have the fraction, let's say like 1/8 plus 3/8, I get 4/8. And I know I can simplify that down to 1/2. So if my denominators are the same, like if they're both 8s, then I just add the numerators, and I have my answer. But if the denominators are not the same, so for instance, let's say I have the fraction 3/8 plus 3/4. Okay, here I don't have the same denominator, so I gotta find the common denominator. So I'm gonna find the LCM. Okay, so my LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So I'm going to use 8 as my common denominator. So this denominator doesn't change. So then that numerator doesn't change. So our fraction stays the same, 3/8. Okay. This one, the 3/4, I have to change my denominator from a 4 to an 8. So if I multiply 4 times 2, I get 8. So then I can multiply 3 times 2, and I get 6. So now I have common denominators. So I can add and get 9/8. Okay, or I can change that, because that's an improper fraction. I'm going to change that to a mixed number of 1 and 1/8. Alright, let's look at another one. So if I have the fraction, let's stick with that 3/8. I must like it or something. I use it a lot. 3/8 plus, let's say, 5/12. Okay, so again, my denominators are not the same. So I want to find my LCM. 8 and 12. So if I find multiples of 8, and multiples of 12, 24. So my LCM is 24, so I'm going to use 24 as a fraction, or as my denominator. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24, so I'm going to go 3 times 3 to get 9, so I have 9/24 plus 12 times 2 to get to 24, so 5 times 2 is 10, and I get 19/24. And the 19 is a prime number, so I can't simplify 19/24, so that would be my answer. So now let's try one with mixed numbers. It doesn't change anything. So if I have 3 and 3/5 plus 2 and 1/10, okay, I'm going to still find common denominator. Okay, and my common denominator of 5 and 10 is going to be 10. Okay, so I'm going to change my fraction from 3/5 to 6/10 plus 2 and 1/10. So I can add my whole numbers. I get 5, and add my fractions. I get 7/10. Okay, so that is how you add fractions in mixed numbers.